The law of attraction states that whatever you focus on, think about, read about, and talk about intensely, you're going to attract more of into your life. See the things that you want as already yours, know that they will come to you at need, then let them come, don't fret and worry about them, don't think about your lack of them, think of them as yours, as belonging to you, as already in your possession. See yourself living in abundance and you will attract it. It is the combination of thought and love which forms the irresistible force of the law of attraction. You can have, do, or be anything you want. There is a truth deep down inside of you that has been waiting for you to discover it, and that truth is this: you deserve all good things life has to offer. Ask for what you want and be prepared to get it. Envision the future you desire, create the life of your dreams. See it, feel it, believe it. To live your greatest life, you must first become a leader within yourself. Take charge of your life, begin attracting and manifesting all that you desire in life. To achieve goals you've never achieved before, you need to start doing things you've never done before. A man can only rise, conquer, and achieve by lifting up his thoughts. Take the first step in faith. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Decide what you want. Believe you can have it. Believe you deserve it and believe it's possible for you. Think the thought until you believe it, and once you believe it, it is. Change your thoughts and you change the world. Every conscious thought you have, every moment you spend on an idea, is a commitment to be stuck with that idea and with aspects of that level of thinking, for the rest of your life. Spending just 10 seconds focusing on a topic that does not serve your interests is to invest your energy along a path that will continue to draw from you and define you. A person is what he or she thinks about all day long. All that we are is a result of what we have thought. It is unlimited what the universe can bring, when you understand the great secret, that thoughts become things. Nurture your mind with great thoughts, for you will never go any higher than you think. I attract to my life whatever I give my attention, energy, and focus to, whether positive or negative. Here's the problem: most people are thinking about what they don't want, and they're wondering why it shows up over and over again. Whether you think you can or think you can't, either way you are right. It's unlimited what the universe can bring when you understand the great secret that thoughts become things. Nurture great thoughts, for you will never go higher than your thoughts. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Never allow your mind to wander untamed like a wild animal that exists on the basis of survival of the fittest. Tame your mind with consistent focus on your goals and desires. A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks he becomes. Whatever you create in your life you must first create in your imagination. Look forward to where you want to be and spend no time complaining about where you are. Man moves in a world that is nothing more or less than his consciousness objectified. You can begin to shape your own destiny by the attitude that you keep. We do not need magic to transform our world. We carry all of the power we need inside ourselves already. You already have within you everything you need to turn your dreams into reality. Everything is within your power, and your power is within you. If you can dream it, you can do it. Every single second is an opportunity to change your life, because in any moment you can change the way you feel. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having positive results. Impossible is just a big word thrown around by small men who find it easier to live in the world they've been given than to explore the power they have to change it. Impossible is not a fact, it's an opinion. Impossible is not a declaration, it's a dare. Impossible is potential. Impossible is temporary. Impossible is nothing. Without desires and dreams, your thoughts do not matter, and you can think whatever you want to. Positive belief in yourself will give you the energy needed to conquer the world, and this belief is the power behind all creation. Gratitude is an attitude that hooks us up to our source of supply, and the more grateful you are, the closer you become to your maker, to the architect of the universe, to the spiritual core of your being. It's a phenomenal lesson. When we focus on our gratitude, the tide of disappointment goes out and the tide of love rushes in. If you want to turn your life around, try thankfulness. It will change your life mightily. We can only be said to be alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures. Nothing new can come into your life unless you are grateful for what you already have. A moment of gratitude makes a difference in your attitude. Gratitude opens the door to the power, the wisdom, the creativity of the universe. You open the door through gratitude. Be thankful for what you have, you'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. Since you alone are responsible for your thoughts, only you can change them.